This is Government Postgraduate College, Artak, and I am Muhammad Ali, lecturer in English. I am going to deliver my lecture about online classes, and this online class is for first year, and the subject is English, and I have selected a one-act play from book 3. The name of that play is A Visit to a Small Planet, written by Gore Vidal. Gore Vidal has written this very one-act play. He was very famous playwright. Today I am going to explain the meanings of difficult words that I have selected from this very play. The first word that I am going to elaborate or I am going to explain, that is eluded. Eluded is a verb. It means to escape, avoid, or evade, or get away from, or dodge. The next word is however. This however is an adverb, and it means yet, or nevertheless, or nonetheless, or conversely, or then again, or in spite of this, or but, or on the other hand. The next word is only. This only is an adverb. It means merely, or simply, or just, or barely, or no more than, or single, or solitary, or individual. The next word is someone. Someone is a noun. It means an important person, or somebody, or a superstar, or a name. The next word is ambitious. This ambitious is an adjective. As we know that an adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. And this adjective that I am going to explain, this adjective is ambitious. It means determined, or striving, or motivated, or impressive. The next word that I am going to explain, it is mark. This word mark is a noun. It means symbol, or sign, or point, or grade, or indicator, or indication, or blot. This word mark means blot or stain as well. The next word is plans. This plans is a noun. It means tactics, or strategies, or designs, or policies, or procedures. The next word is growing. This growing is an adjective. It adds to the meaning of noun or pronoun. Growing means rising, or mounting, or increasing, or upward, or on the rise, or on the increase, or emergent, or developing. Now I am going to revise the meanings of these difficult words. Eluded means to escape or to avoid. However means nevertheless, yet, or on the other hand. Only means merely or simply. Someone means somebody. Ambitious means striving, or motivated, or determined. Mark means symbol, or sign, or point. Plans means procedures or designs. Growing means rising, or developing, or on the increase. With this, I am going to end my presentation. Thank you.